Hey, where'd my lid go?
Right here.
What are you doing, Kevin?
I'm playing this.
Yeah, what is that?
This is called
No, I'm
essential
going to dance with you downstairs. Let's turn the TV on.
Yeah, we are.
No, wait.
This one.
What would it turn into? What kind of color would it turn into? Yellow? Yeah. This is right. So I'm going to do that and it's going to win. And you know, that's right.
What makes it go around?
Well, wait a minute. Aunt Beth has
Let's go
there
on.
too.
That's alright. It's gonna go off.
Oh.
Wait! You pet that stuff. Oh, that's right.
He likes the
Hey, you pet.
Okay.
What is it, Kevin? A Zuzu pet. What do you do, come out and get in a boat?
Yeah, and if it was on a hardwood floor, it would drive it around too. Yeah, I have another piece to it downstairs.
Uh-oh. There he goes.
Quick project. That was
Best time, Mom.
Look here, Kevin. Kevin, look at Grandpa.